What are we doing today?
We are making a volcano.
A volcano?
Yes.
What kinds of things do we need to make a volcano?
This.
We need ingredients,
Yeah, but what is this?
red dye.
Red dye.
What else do we have there?
What is this?
Baking soda,
Okay, what is this?
water,
What is this?
pigment.
That is already.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
That's our tube,
That's our tube. And this.
our measuring spoon,
And what is this?
our citric acid,
That's all of it.
and what is the most important part for our face?
Glass.
The safety glasses. What do they protect?
Our eyes.
Yep.
And this.
Volcano.
Yep.
Do you think we should put our safety glasses on?
Yeah.
You ready to get started?
Yes.
So the first step is to take our measuring cup with our 100 milliliters of water.
But put these up.
Okay.
Off his face.
And we're going to add 5 drops of red dye into the water. So set the water cup down. And we're going to open up the dye. Yep. Okay. Now you're going to count when you put the drops in. We're going to count. So watch how many go in. Ready? 1, 2.
3, 4,
Hold on, we're on number 3. 3,
6,
4. One more.
4.
5. That's it. No more. Close it up.
Wait.
Now we're
Can
gonna.
we do this?
Yep, that's our stirring rod. We're gonna stir it around.
We take it this way. Then this way.
Yep. All mixed. You stirred it around. Okay. Now we can set the stirring rod down. And our next step is to measure 3 spoonfuls of citric acid and baking soda. Okay, so we're gonna open up the baking soda.
This baking soda.
Yep. And we're gonna get 3 spoonfuls.
This much.
Dump it in the volcano. Good. 2 more. 2.
Oopsies.
It's okay.
The thing is, I don't even put things on it.
1 more.
Enough?
A little more.
This is
Good.
down.
Now you want to do. Okay.
And this.
3 scoops of citric acid.
How many hooks?
3.
3. That one. Maya. Let's do it right over there. That 1.
2. 1 more. 3.
And 4.
Now we're gonna put a little pigment in.
Me closes it all the way up. He is tight.
Yep.
I close this one up tight.
Okay.
So we don't need more every time.
Make a mess.
Yeah, we have
Now we need some pigment.
to take it. This is pigment
Yep.
down.
Go ahead. Okay. Now we're gonna insert the tube into the volcano.
This tube.
Yep. Good.
And dump this in.
Go ahead and dump it in. Whoa. Look at that volcano.
Wow.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
Awesome.